primarily at Trajan Wealth, we manage retirement money because you're talking about people financing their lives after their earnings capacity has been exhausted, right? So that's why we think that curating all the investment opportunities in the alternative, asset class to what's suitable for our clients is critically important. And that's why I think the role of an investor or a firm like Trajan to be the guide is that much more prominent against the public markets, because in the public markets you have index products, right, which basically for very low fees you can access. And if you don't want to do anything but get broad diversification, all you need to do is buy an index product. But in the private market, there's so many different things with different risk-reward profiles. It's really important to identify your goals and construct your portfolio with what really is appropriate for you. And that's where I think, as a firm, Trajan Wealth can be a very good intermediary in helping you achieve that.
One of the harder things about alternatives just in general is for the regular person, the regular investor, figuring out what is the risk here. Is it 10% I should have, and is it 30%? How much should I have in commercial real estate versus private equity or some like a fixed income fund, right? Or I should say private credit fund. And that's where I think the having an advisor is so important, is that they can come in and they can contextualize after because they know their client, and they can say, okay, this is probably the band that you need to be in, at least right now. And then as we grow assets, we can get bigger, whatever the plan is to serve their needs. And I think that's a lot of it. It's less understood. It's not as transparent to the normal person what they're taking on.
A clean, data set that would allow you to make that decision,
right.
You have in public markets.
It's getting there. It's more than it used to be. You need a guide, and I think that's really important.